देखिए, बांग्लादेश के नोबेल पुरस्कार विजेता मोहम्मद यूनुस बांग्लादेश की अंतरिम सरकार के मुख्य सलाहकार बन सकते हैं। इसी से जुड़ी एक बड़ी खबर आपको हम बता रहे हैं। बांग्लादेश में अंतरिम सरकार बनाने को लेकर लगातार हलचल तेज है और आर्मी चीफ सभी पार्टी के नेताओं के साथ बैठक भी कर रहे हैं।
और इसी बीच बड़ी खबर यह है कि नोबेल विजेता डॉक्टर मोहम्मद यूनुस अंतरिम सरकार के मुख्य सलाहकार बनने को तैयार हो गए हैं। क्योंकि देखिए, अब से थोड़ी देर पहले तक ये कयास लगाए जा रहे थे वो मानेंगे या नहीं मानेंगे, लेकिन इसी बीच एबीपी न्यूज के डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म एबीपी लाइव की फॉरेन अफेयर एडिटर नैमा बसु से बात हुई और मोहम्मद यूनुस ने कहा कि हालात ठीक नहीं थे। शेख हसीना ने विरोध की आवाज दबाने की कोशिश की, छात्रों पर जुल्म किए और यही वजह है कि आखिरकार उन्हें इस्तीफा देना पड़ा। लेकिन कुल मिलाकर के यहां बड़ी खबर यह है कि अंतरिम सरकार बनाने की कवायद में उनकी भूमिका अहम रहने जा रही है।
Are we back to where things were way back in 2007 when again a caretaker government had come in, of course backed by the army? If that is the situation today, when things have really changed even geopolitically, how do you see Bangladesh coming out of this crisis?
Thank you. I'm seeing it in a different way. I'm seeing it, we had the celebration of liberation on 16th of December 1971. That's a fantastic celebration that we had because we just came out of Pakistani occupation and became an independent country. Today we are having a second liberation day. It's a fantastic celebration going all over the country. We got rid of something that we didn't want to sit around on our heads all these years. And finally we got rid of it. So that's the way people are responding to it. Millions of people are on the street. It's all led by students. It's all started with in a simple way. Students wanted something changed in their quota for the government jobs. Simple demand, but the way mistreated, mishandled by the government, by attacking them, beating them, shooting them, it grew bigger and bigger. The Prime Minister brought in police after police to handle them. Sound grenades was thrown at them. Bullets were thrown at them. People died in the process, and it became bigger. He brought the border guards to control. Again, it became bigger. Many people killed. And then he brought the army and the curfew. So it went on and on with the support and encouragement of the government to make it happen. Ultimately, it became so big, and the demand becomes simple now, not a quota. Resign. You are the one that this created all this mess, so you resign and go. And finally she had to resign. And
नोबेल पुरस्कार विजेता है डॉक्टर यूनुस और वहां ग्रामीण बैंकों के प्रणेता माने जाते हैं और उनका कहना यह है जो अभी आपने सुना।